To change the battery, first we will need to take out the key. Behind the battery, notice there is that button right there. We will press and hold that button down and then pull the key outwards. Just like that. Once the key is out, notice from behind, there is that plastic cover right there. We will again press that button down and then slide that plastic cover outwards. This way the plastic cover is taken out. Behind the plastic cover, notice from this edge right there is the section where the battery is located. Also notice there is that small slot right there. I'll be using a screwdriver like this. We'll punch in the screwdriver in that slot and then slide that battery outwards. There's the cover along with the battery pulled out. Now to pull out the battery, all we have to do is just slide the battery outwards. There we got the battery right there. It is a CR2032 type battery. In my case, the battery is good, so I'll be installing it back. In your case, if you have a new battery and you want to install it back, just make sure the plus sign stays at the bottom. You can also see the plus sign visible on the cover right there. And there is that plus sign behind the battery itself. So that has to be slided downwards. Then we punch in the battery in the plastic cover. Now we will punch in the plastic cover where we took it out from. Make sure the position of the plastic cover is like that. It doesn't have to be this way. Instead, it should look like this before installing. We'll slide in the cover and then push it all the way till the very end. Once completely in, only then we will punch in the bigger portion of the plastic cover. To punch in the cover, make sure you put it down first like that. While holding the plastic cover like that, again we will press that button down. And while pressing that button down, we'll go ahead and slide in that plastic cover. There you would see the plastic cover completely in from all over the edges. Seems perfectly fine. Now we will go ahead and punch in the key. We'll punch in the key from behind and we'll make sure the key is positioned just like that. While punching in the key, you might notice it's stuck on the top frame. Just make sure it's aligned properly, then punch it in one more time. With that, we are done with the replacement of the battery for this remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.